How to view locked chat on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll demonstrate how to view locked chats on WhatsApp. If you have locked chats on your WhatsApp and you want to view the list, I'll show you how to do that. When you open your WhatsApp, you won't immediately see the locked chat interface. To access your locked chat, swipe down, then you'll see the locked chat option. Click on that and you'll be prompted to use your Face ID, your fingerprint, or password. Once you input this, you'll see your locked chat. You can access the locked chat by clicking on it. To unhide or unlock it, click on the profile or the contact info, scroll down, select chat log, and toggle off the option. After toggling it off, you'll be asked to use your Face ID, your fingerprint, or your password again. It's that easy. If you don't have any locked chat, you won't see the option. This is how you can see the locked chat on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more great contents. Thanks for watching.